20% of advanced countries. But for the billions spent on roads, pipes and electricity, we don't get very good bang for our bucks. The problem here, of course, is that when it comes to turning inputs into outputs, efficiency, how fast we're moving around on the network, we're in the bottom 10% or close to the bottom 10% of advanced countries. The Infrastructure Commission has found that in the last decade, for every $10 we spent on new infrastructure, $6 worth of assets wore out, costing almost $100 billion. Well, I think we've got a leaky bucket when it comes to New Zealand, right? There's two sort of approaches when you see a leaky bucket. Either you want to put more water